everyone, in this good time, I want to tell you about how to operate the backhoe loader. But before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Audi Kusuma. I am student of Heavy Equipment Engineering at Polytechnic Banjarmasin. So, enjoy the video. This is backhoe loader. First thing you must do is put your safety like safety helmet, safety glass, and safety shoes. After we put safety, we must do walk inspection to make sure the machine can work properly. And after we do walk inspection, we can operate the machine. Now, let's go to the cabin. The first, before we operate the machine, we have to wear the seat belt to keep the operator of the accident. And this is steering wheel. You can adjust the steer to comfort with pressing put down in the under and use to turn right and left like this. And this is pedal clutch, is to move transmission level. Transmission level to move the pit with using the pedal clutch, like move first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, and neutral. Now, if you pull the joystick back toward you, the first set of hydraulic ram push out to lift the arms up, and when you push it away from you, the arm will lower. If you move the joystick to the right, the bucket will dump, and if you move the joystick to the left, the bucket will scoop. And after that, let's we move to the back side of cabin. Okay, now we in the back side of the cabin. In here, this is for setting the RPM. You can make low idle or high idle. And in here, this is the stabilizer to make the cabin can comfort. And this is the lock of boom. So if this like this, the boom in there will lock. And if we pull the stick, the boom not lock. And now we have two joystick in here. This joystick for move the swing and arm, and this joystick for move the boom and the bucket. So that's my presentation. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.